Managing anger with bipolar disorder, tips for finding calm and understanding. Struggling with anger while living with bipolar disorder can feel overwhelming, but you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore gentle, practical tips to help manage intense emotions, find inner calm, and build better self-understanding. 1. Recognize your warning signs. Start by noticing what anger feels like in your body: racing thoughts, tense muscles, or fast breathing. Being aware of early signs can help you pause before anger escalates. 2. Use calming strategies. Try simple grounding techniques: deep breathing, stepping outside for fresh air, listening to calming music, or writing down what you're feeling. These small steps can help you regain control in the moment. 3. Communicate openly. Share with trusted friends or family about what helps when you're feeling angry. Let them know it's part of bipolar disorder and ask for their support rather than judgment. 4. Keep an anger journal. Write down what triggered your anger, how you reacted, and what helped calm you. Over time, this can reveal patterns and teach you new coping strategies. 5. Maintain routine and balance. Regular sleep, healthy eating, and scheduled breaks throughout your day can help stabilize mood swings and reduce sudden anger outbursts. 6. Consider professional support. Therapists, support groups, or anger management classes can help you explore the roots of your anger and learn personalized coping strategies. Remember, managing anger is a skill that takes time and practice, and asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. By understanding your triggers and using calming tools, you can build healthier relationships and create a more peaceful daily life.